I tested a new strategy based on Vortex and SuperTrend. If you are interested how it worked, watch the video till the end. I'll show you exactly how this new strategy works so you can try it for yourself. I'm Duran from Binary Trader. I'm trading binary options for many years. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on new content. Don't forget to select all notifications. Let's set up our trading environment. Set time frame to 1 minute. Set trade duration to 1 minute as well. Make sure expiration mode is set to clock. Among indicators, choose SuperTrend and Vortex. Open settings for SuperTrend. Set ATR period to 7. Set the multiplier to 2. For Vortex, set the period to 11. Choose instruments with high payout. Be aware that payout levels can change over time, so you might need to reselect different instruments to maximize profits. Everything is set up. Let's discuss how the strategy works. When the green line of Vortex crosses above its red line, and SuperTrend prints a green support line below candles, so it interprets a bullish trend, we anticipate price will rise, so place a buy. Similarly, when the red line of Vortex crosses above its green line, and SuperTrend shows a red resistance line above candles, we anticipate price will fall, so place a sell. It's important to mention that you should enter the trades when the candles in line with the cross closes, so they confirm the cross. So you are technically trading the next candles. I hope everything was clear, so we can start trading. Here the green Vortex seemed to cross above red soon. SuperTrend already shows uptrend. Wait until the cross happens. If it is not going to happen, look elsewhere. There was a false signal recently, but if you look carefully, that was not in line with the overall bearish market trend. Though there were multiple good signals too in line with the trend. You might say the next forming setup will not be in line with the trend either. And you are right. But the trend is weakening, and price already broke the bearish trend line. Also, there is an ascending triangle with a bullish breakout. These together tells me the trend is likely to reverse, so I can accept an upcoming bullish signal from the strategy. While waiting for the setup to form, let me clear something. I see in many comments that people mix up concepts with traditional forex trading, and don't understand what is happening here. In my first uploaded video, I explain what binary options are and how they work, so please use that as a reference. As explained there, binary option is a contract with a fixed time expiration. If price at the expiration time is in the direction you anticipated, you get back the risked amount and gain the payout. If not, you lose the risked amount. But only that. You don't need to manage the trade with stop losses. It's a simple and elegant way of trading. That's why it is right for beginners. But like any sort of trading activity, it carries high risk. So make sure you understand what you are doing. You assume all risks when using a service of any trading platform. Whether it's a cryptocurrency exchange, a forex broker, an investment platform of a traditional bank or institute where you invest your earnings in stocks, bonds or funds on the long term. It is true for any trading platform, including binary option platforms. There is the cross. I'm placing a buy. It might be stressful for beginners watching their trade. Feel free to take a short break. Grab a coffee, for example. The trade will play out in your absence, and you can perform your analysis afterwards. I suggest to capture your trading session, so you can analyze your trades when you are relaxed. Beginners are usually surprised how many mistakes they may make, but that's normal. That's the way of learning. There are good softwares for capturing. I recommend OBS as it is a professional open-source video capturing software used by millions of YouTubers and streamers. Completely free. I mean really free. No ads, no malware. It does not install unwanted third-party programs. While waiting for this trade to finish, there is just enough time to press the like button and subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to select all notifications. It's just a few clicks for you, but helps my channel a lot. Thank you very much. The trade won. I'm looking for the next setup. 5 or 6 minutes later, same instrument Intel OTC seems to provide another signal, but now a sell one. Let's recap. Market is in a downtrend. There were multiple successful setups in line with the trend. One easily identified false signal against the trend, and our previous trade that was against the trend, but confirmed by a bullish breakout of the descending triangle. Though this candle tells us the breakout was a small one, and the downtrend continues. So the upcoming sell signal will be in line with the trend again. Now I just need to wait patiently until the cross of Vortex is confirmed. Patience is the most important soft skill for trading. It's just as important as market analysis on the technical level. Cross confirmed, I'm placing a sell. Feel free to check my other videos which teaches thoroughly tested strategies that have proven success to myself and many of my viewers. I get a lot of comments viewers telling how well my strategies worked for them. Keep up the good work. Be aware though that all strategies have better and worse periods. There is no holy grail. Jumping from one strategy to another all the time does not help. Only proper market analysis will help you to filter false signals. Leave a comment below which strategy works for you the best. If you are interested in trading on this platform, you can find a registration link in the video description below or in the pinned comment. Registration is completely free. You can practice on a demo account and deposit later, or you can choose other trading platforms too, but do some research which other ones are reliable. Trade 1. Look for next. This downtrend is very weak and price is about to break out from the trading channel. And the cross is confirmed. I'm placing a buy. We can see here in the past a false cross. Such a small one should never be considered. And there were multiple good sell signals in line with the trend and inside the trading channel. If you want to play more safe, accept only the signals of this strategy which are in line with the trend. That is generally a good idea. It is usually easier to follow the trend, especially for beginners. There is a saying, trend is your friend, which might sound somewhat childish for some, but it has some relevance, as trend reversals are harder to spot, and you have to identify false breakouts. You might ask what helps then. The answer is simple. Learn and practice. Practice on demo and trade with low risk as much as you can. The more time you spend in the market, the more you will understand it. In the beginning it will overwhelm you, but you will get better understanding by time. Trade 1. This was our last one today. Hope you enjoyed watching today's video as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you did, please tell me by pressing the like button and consider subscribing to my channel so you won't miss upcoming content. Don't forget to select all notifications. Feel free to check my other videos, which teaches thoroughly tested strategies that have proven success to myself and many of my viewers. If you are interested in trading on Pocket Option, click the platform link in the video description to sign up and start trading. Feel free to tell me in the comments what you would like to see next. Before you go, just a quick reminder, binary options trading is risky, and this video is not a financial advice, it is for educational purposes only. Always trade responsibly, and don't risk money you can't afford to lose. See the full disclaimer in the description. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you next time.